Hello, guys. My today's video is about Houston maritime injury lawyer. Have you been injured in a maritime accident off the coast of Houston, Texas? You may be entitled to a substantial monetary settlement or award. However, offshore accident claims can be complicated. Let's experience Houston maritime injury lawyers at the attorney Brian White personally injury lawyer. Helps you file for compensation you need. We are known for being relentless and doing whatever it takes to help maritime injury victims gets the money they deserve. Let us put more than 45 years of collective experience to work for you. Give our hostel office a call today to arrange a fee consultation. Houston, unlike most other major urban areas in Texas, is a coastal city, so the water plays a large role in Houston's economic and culture. The port of Houston is one of the busiest seaports in the world. Every day, hundreds, if not thousands, of commercial and personal watercraft use Galveston Bay, Trinity Bay, the East Bay, and the Gulf of Mexico to get to and from docks in Houston. Not all of these trips are uneventful. Accidents happen on and around the water all the time. These are known as maritime accidents, meaning of or having to do with the sea. At Attorney Brian White personal injury lawyers are our maritime attorney represent clients who have suffered injuries in maritime accidents that include personal watercraft accidents, cruise ship accidents, military or navy accidents, barge accidents, tugboat accidents, tanker accidents, cargo ship accidents, shipyard accidents, deck accidents, slip and falls, explosion and fires, basket transfer accidents, commercial fishing accidents, offshore drilling and rig accidents, jackup rig accident, and much more. It doesn't matter whether you are work who was injured while working on a dock or out on the high sea, or if you got hurt while enjoying some recreational time out on the water. Our personal injury lawyers in Houston are here to help. We will carefully investigate your case, determine all possible causes of legal action, and help you fight to get the money you deserve. Next point is that why should I hire an attorney for help with my maritime injury case? Accidents don't just happen on a dry land; they also become happen on docks, in shipyard, and out at sea. When they do, injury claims can be challenging. Does your case fall under state or federal jurisdiction? Um, I'm sorry, I'm 28, but unable to pronounce this word. Jurisdiction. I don't know how to pronounce it. Well, let's continue. Which US maritime law governs your case? If you are working, are you entitled to maintenance and cure the maritime equivalent of workers' compensation? These are all important questions. In order to get the answers you need, it's important to enlist the help of a qualified and experienced hostile maritime injury lawyer. At Attorney Brand White personal injury lawyer or our experienced lawyers understand how physical and emotionally devastating maritime injuries can be. We also know how much of an impact money can make in the week, months, and years of that follow. We can't be your best advocate unless we know what caused your accidents, why you got hurt, and who is responsible. So we will roll up our sleeves and scrutinize your maritime accidents from every possible angle. We will gather evidence, interviews, witnesses, subpoena documents, and consult with experts. This is how they investigate. Next point is research. Maritime law is complex depending on the circumstances of your case. One or more maritime laws might apply to your case. This include the Jones Act, Longshore Act, Outer Continental Shelf Land Act, Death on the High Sea Act, Longshoremen and Harbor Worker Compensation Act, Limitation of Liability Act. These are also more general maritime laws that might be applicable. Our team will carefully review the specifics of your case to determine which law apply and how those laws can be used to help you recover the compensation to which you are entitled. Our detailed approach can help to ensure that you are fully compensated for all of your maritime injuries. Bring in experts. Maritime accidents are unlike those that happen on land. It's a whole different world out there. In order to make sure that we are really understand your case, we will bring in specialists, professionals, and experts to help us paint a more detailed picture of what happened. This might include former military personnel, engineers, forensic specialists, mechanical experts, doctors, and marine safety experts. The more we understand the nuts and bolts of your case, the better prepared we will be to fight for you, negotiate, and if necessary, litigate. We will work tirelessly to negotiate a fair settlement offer on your behalf. We will stand toe to toe with multinational corporations, insurance companies, employers, and at fault parties. We will invest whatever time, money, and resources are necessary to do so. However, we will never take the threat of a trial off the table. At Attorney Brian White Personal Injury Lawyers, our legal team is well known for their successes in the courtroom. If negligent or responsible parties don't cooperate, we won't hesitate to bring your case to a jury so that you have the opportunity to get the money you deserve. So, accident of dogs in shipyard and on vessels are not uncommon in and around hostel. Many of the accidents are the result of defective machinery or equipment, inadequately hiring, training, and or supervising employees, not following industry rules and regulations, not following company safety protocols, unsafe working conditions, inclement weather, distractions, drugs and or alcohol, rushing or working too fast due to pressure from an employer, overworking and fatigue, and lack of necessary safety equipment. There is a common thread here: negligence. Accidents, for the most part, should be avoidable. However, they happen when someone, whether it's a worker or employer, doesn't exercise the degree of care that's necessary to stay safe. When you get hurt due to someone else's negligence, or even your own, in some cases, you might be entitled to compensation. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.